Hi first graders, welcome back to math class. Today we're going to be talking about how to solve addition and subtraction number sentences up to 20. So let's first talk about what is addition and what is subtraction. We have to know what symbol goes with which one. So what does this symbol tell you? Does this tell you to add or subtract? Remember our hand signs. Adding, we use the plus sign. So this would tell us to add if I see this in a number sentence. So when we're adding, we're using addition. You might see words like join, all together. We call this the plus sign. We're going to add and we're going to combine them to make a total. Those are some important vocabulary words for addition. Okay, so we can solve a number sentence by first looking at our sign. I see some numbers, but first I'm going to look at the sign to identify what I have to do. What does this sign tell us we have to do? Add. Okay, I know I'm adding these together. Step 2, how do I solve this? Think about what strategy you want to use to solve the number sentence. So I know I have to put 10 plus 1, put them together, but how can I put them together? Well, we can either draw a picture to add. We usually use dots to draw. You can use a 10 frame to add. Fill in the 10 frame with dots for both numbers. We can add with part, whole. Add the two parts together to get the whole. Or we can count on to add. You start on the first number and you're going to jump up on the number line. So you can use whichever strategy you want. We're going to try to use, and then you're going to try to solve it using the strategy that you chose. So if you chose draw a picture, you're going to need to draw 10 dots and another dot, and you'll count them all together to get 11. Now let's talk about the opposite. The opposite would be subtraction, taking away. This is the symbol that tells us to subtract. Take away, we also call this the minus sign. The minus sign is just a little dash. And we're going to get fewer numbers. We're going to get a smaller number when we subtract. So how can we solve this number sentence? It's the same numbers, but the sign is different. This sign, I need to first look at the sign, and it tells me I need to subtract. So my strategies that I can use to subtract: draw a picture and use X's. I can use part, whole to start with the whole and take away a part, or I can count backwards on the number line. So think about which one you want to use. We can try using drawing pictures, and then we're going to use the strategy. So if I had 10 dots and I have to X out one of them, I would get 9. So let's solve some number sentences. Here is 12 plus 4. 12. I know that I have to add. This is adding. I'm putting them together. So the different strategies I can use, I remember seeing the number line. Let's see. If I want to draw the number line, because I don't have it drawn for me, I can start 12 and I know I need to go up. What is up? 13. That's 1. 14. That's up 2. 15. Up 3. And 16 is plus 4. So we can do it like that if you don't have the number line already drawn for you. 16, that was 4 hops. And you can also draw dots. I think dots are probably the easiest one to do. But I want you to try to challenge yourselves and try another strategy too. 15 minus 7. So we know that we can draw dots and then X out, because this is the minus sign, X out 7 of them. Or we can go back on the number line. Okay, 15, and I need to go back 7 times. 14, that's 1, 13, That's 2, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Let's see how many hops that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I landed on 8. So I can do that with my number line. That's just one strategy we can use. So now it's going to be your turn. You're going to solve the number sentences on Pear Deck. It's going to look just like this, and I want you to pick a strategy and use it to get your answer. I can't wait to see your finished assignments, and I'll see y'all really soon on Zoom. Bye, guys.